This all comes from my book, AI for Teenagers, 2nd edition. Let's dive into 3 quick rules.
So, let's jump right in. We're covering 3 quick and powerful rules for using artificial intelligence.
Okay, first thing you gotta know is AI's biggest secret.
Here's the thing. AI doesn't actually think. It just recognizes patterns and predicts what's next.
And that single idea leads us straight to our very first rule. Because of that, the first answer you get is never final. Think of it as a draft.
So treat it like a starting point to improve, not a final answer to just copy.
So how do you turn that rough draft into something way better?
And that brings us to rule number 2. Ask better questions. Look, if you want better results from any AI, you've got to guide it.
It's simple. Ask a better, more specific question, and you'll get a better answer.
Guide it by adding detail, setting some limits, or just correcting its mistakes. Okay, our final rule is probably the most important one to remember. You need to stay in control.
Because what do you do if the AI gives an answer that sounds super confident but is just wrong?
Well, AI often makes errors, like inventing facts, showing bias, or just missing your key point.
It just predicts what sounds right based on patterns, not what's actually true.
So the crucial thing is this. Use AI to support your thinking, not replace it.
As I said, these rules all come from the book AI for Teenagers, 2nd edition.
It's got no jargon, no nonsense, just what works.
So now that you've got the rules for working with AI, what will you create?